Addiction takes a heavy toll on relationships, but with some work and an open heart, trust can be rebuilt. Here are a few tips to help you repair your relationship with your recovering loved one. 1. Be patient. Building trust takes time. It's a lot easier for someone to break your trust than it is for them to build it back up. So expect it to take a few months before you can put your loved one back in your good book. 2. Be empathetic. It's important that a recovering addict feels understood. And if you speak and act in a way that shows them you're trying to understand, they'll be more comfortable with you. 3. Don't judge. Remember that nobody's perfect. Everybody makes mistakes. Acknowledging this opens up a wider avenue of communication. This also makes it easier to get rid of resentment that may have built up during their active addiction. 4. Set ground rules with your loved one. If you commit to being completely honest and transparent, it'll be easier for them to do the same. 5. Know that mistakes will happen. Recovery is a journey, and there may be slip-ups along the way. Don't let a simple mistake shatter your trust again. Instead, recognize it as a learning opportunity and review the trust-building guidelines you and your loved one have agreed upon. Ultimately, it's up to you to determine what's best for your relationship. Addiction is a complex disorder. If you need advice, we're here to help. Call The Cabin today, www.thecabin.com.